It's a lovely weather. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. Wow. Thank you so much, Alamia. It's cool. It's so cold. It's crazy cold. It's March and it seems like December. Crazy. It looks so beautiful. ओहो, उसको दीदी आना था. Canada right now. More snow expected tonight. Snowstorm tonight and tomorrow morning. Zalim. 4th day right now in Canada, and I'm gonna make another video at night. So I'll show you. That would be more crazy. Ooh. It's not really cold. Ooh.
Why did you share this requisition, or did I do this?
What do you mean?
Like, you know, what do you like? What do you How much is like one
If
fare?
you know what, if you have a Presto card, then you have to pay like 350. But if you don't have a Presto card, maybe you have to pay like 375. That's what I think. I think it's been a long time. I didn't pay cash. So what I think, because there's a difference between paying cash and tapping your
Yeah,
Presto. That's what I'm
yeah.
saying.
So it's already 350.
Hmm?
Because like it wasn't like that before. It was like 350. I thought it was like
It was
$3.
325 a year ago, but you know it's been a long time. You know, and next year would be more expensive. अच्छा जी, ये देखें जनाब, यहाँ पे इस वक्त बर्फ़ पड़ चुकी है। वैसी वाली नहीं पड़ी जैसे मैं सोच रही थी, जैसे कि होना चाहिए, तो वैसी नहीं है। एंड अच्छा, ये देखें, ये tada! जो मैं इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ वो इससे भी ज़्यादा होती है, अभी तक वो वाली पड़ी नहीं है। I'm coming, okay? Are you coming? You wanna walk?
Yeah.
Let's go. ये देखें, check करें. It's not really cold, it's not windy, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. अच्छा जी, ये रस्म क्रिसमस का इंतज़ाम हो चुका है भाई। वाह, ज़बरदस्त, वाह। आसमान भी इतना वाइट हो रहा है, बिल्कुल दिन लग रहा है। ये रहा हमारा घर। What is this?
I don't know.
It's so beautiful, see? Wow.
Yeah. It's very nice.
Yay. Oh goodness. Oh God. Lord of mercy. I know.